This question is related to imaginary unit of complex numbers I, where you have to calculate the value of I to power 100 minus I to power 98 minus I to power 96, and you have to choose the correct value out of options. A is 2, B 4, C is 1 and D is minus 1. To solve this question, we can simplify this as I to power 96 plus 4 minus I to power 96 plus 2 minus I to power 96. That is equals to I to power 96 multiply I to power 4 minus I to power 96 multiply I to power 2 minus I to power 96. As I to power 96 is common here, take I to power 96 as common. So this solves to I to power 96 bracket. From here it is I to power 4 minus here I to power 2 minus 1. As you must know that I equals to square root of minus 1 and I square equals to minus 1 and I to power 4 equals to 1. So by placing it here, this solves to I to power 96 bracket I to power 4 is 1 minus I to power 2 is minus 1 minus 1 bracket close, which is equals to I to power 96 bracket 1 minus minus plus 1 minus 1. This 1 minus 1 is cancelled. So this simplifies to I to power 96. I to power 96 can be written as I 24 multiply 4 equals to I to power 4 bracket to power 24. As you must know that I to power 4 is 1. This is equals to 1 to power 24, which is equals to 1. So 1 is our answer for this problem.